exercise you want to work on is in the extension stretch. This helps you to regain your full range of motion and get your legs straight again. It is important to get your knee extension back in order to walk without a limp. To do this stretch, you want to prop your leg up with something under your ankle so that your knee has room to stretch out. You can use a rolled up towel, a couple pillows, or in our case, we use a little foam roll in the video. You want to try and stay in this position for 5 to 10 minutes at a time to allow for a good stretch. While in this position, you can also add a little ankle pump by moving your foot up and down like pumping the gas pedal in your car. This will not only help with stretching, but also with circulation to decrease your risk of getting a blood clot. Next, you want to work on strengthening your quadriceps muscle. This is the muscle on the front of your thigh. The best exercise to start with is the quadriceps, which is a tightening of the muscle. Practice tightening the front of your thigh and trying to pull your kneecap up into the thigh. It will be challenging at first, but should get easier as you practice. You want to build up being able to hold the contraction for 5 to 10 seconds and then relaxing. Try not to dig your heel into the table or smash the back of your knee into the table, as other muscles will start to take over instead. The third exercise is knee flexion. I have included a variation of ways you can start getting your knee to bend, as some people have difficulty tolerating some of these exercises. So for the first variation, you want to get a sturdy strap, belt, dog leash, or towel, and place the center of it under the middle of your foot. While lying down or lying back, you want to hold onto the ends and use your arms to assist you as you try and slide your heel towards your bottom. Hold for a little stretch and then slowly slide it back down. You may want to put a trash bag under your foot and leg to help it slide a little easier. If you have a higher chair or seat, you can sit at the edge and let your legs dangle off the end. Using your opposite leg, you can help straighten the leg and then help pull it back for a nice gentle stretch as shown in this video. This is a nice gentle way to allow the knee to kind of bend on its own while using gravity. Lastly, you can also do the heel slide seated. With your foot on the ground, gently slide your heel towards the chair and then back forward. Again, you can use your opposite leg to assist as needed. This works best if you have a smooth floor surface and a sock on your foot to let it slide easier.